Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 6 best robot vacuum for large house on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am try to list those based on price, quality and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Roborock S6. If you're looking for a hybrid robot vacuum with strong suction, no-go zones, and room mapping capabilities, look no further than the Roborock S6. It uses LiDAR for precise navigation and a Z-shaped cleaning route, as well as being able to save multiple maps and create no-go zones for each floor of your home. You can control the robot vacuum cleaner through its complementary application, Android/iOS, or your voice assistant, Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. You can also tell the S6 to clean specific rooms or set it to run on a regular schedule. Its 5,200 mAh battery can clean for up to 3 hours on a single charge, which is roughly 2,100 square feet in silent mode. The vacuum cleaner has a powerful 2,000 pascals suction and automatically increases its power when it detects a carpet for deeper cleaning. Do you have hard floors that need scrubbing? Don't worry, with the 180 milliliters long-range water tank, this vacuum cleaner can scrub up to 4,000 square meters and is adjustable for different types of floors. It runs at around 69 dB. But it also has a silent mode option. And the best of all? Its price is well below $500. At number 2, Wise Robot Vacuum. Yes, these vacuums can be quite expensive. See our premium selection below, but that doesn't mean you're doomed if you're not on a big budget. You can get a really impressive vacuum cleaner with many features for only a few $100s, like this one from Wise. This robot vacuum cleaner has 7 sets of sensors that it uses to map your home, detect obstacles and stairs, and navigate a cleaning path. In Wise's companion mobile app, Android/iOS, you can create no-go zones for the vacuum to maneuver and even tell it to clean a specific room instead of the entire house. The vacuum cleaner has a suction power of 2,100 pascals, which is more than enough to handle everyday dirt, as well as pet hair and heavier dirt embedded in the carpet. With 3 modes, silent, standard, and strong, you can control cleaning levels and noise. The vacuum cleaner can run for approximately 110 minutes and automatically returns to its base to charge. If it has not been able to finish the job in that time, it will return by itself to where it left off before recharging and pick up right where it left off. However, its main flaw is that it does not support multi-level mapping, which makes it a better choice for those who do not live in 2-level houses. At number 3, iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. If price is not an issue, we highly recommend choosing the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Its clever design and super rugged feature list make it an exceptional choice. Thanks to its clean base attached to the spring, this vacuum cleaner automatically empties itself after operating. The base is large enough that you only need to empty it once every 60 days. Features a 3-stage cleaning system that lifts, loosens, and removes debris and pet hair with its 40x suction power, and the auto boost function boosts suction when deep debris or carpet is detected. Perfect edge technology, a host of advanced sensors, and a special corner brush optimize cleaning around corners and surface edges, traditionally the most difficult to clean areas. The vacuum cleaner's VSLAM navigation system helps it learn the layout of your house and build personal smart maps, while its careful driving mode ensures that it will detect objects and clean around them without crashing. In addition, its brushes, 30% wider, do not get tangled with pet hair. You can use voice commands, like Roomba, clean under the kitchen table, to clean certain rooms or areas without having to do a full cleaning. Through the complementary mobile application of the Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Android/iOS, you can also establish exclusion zones that it will avoid in future operations. The vacuum cleaner can even learn where you usually clean and suggest a custom cleaning program. At number 4, Echovax Dbot N8 Pro Plus. Looking for a device that can handle vacuuming and scrubbing? The Echovax Dbot N8 Pro Plus is a powerful and hard-working option that's ready to take on whatever you throw at it. The vacuum cleaner offers hands-free cleaning, and you only need to empty the disposable dust bag once every 30 days. You can also use the companion app, Android/iOS, to create virtual boundaries, split, merge, and tag rooms, and have full control over automation, including assigning different cleaning settings to individual rooms. The robot automatically avoids carpets when mopping and doubles its suction power on carpets when vacuuming for precision cleaning of all floors in your home. And with a maximum suction power of 2,600 pascals, it is quite impressive. Navigate your home using TrueDetect, a laser-based 3D technology that can detect and instruct the vacuum to avoid things like wires, dirt from pets, or slippers and help prevent it from getting stuck anywhere. LiDAR-based True Mapping uses advanced aerospace-type D2F detection sensors to generate ultra-accurate mapping over a wide range, compared to standard laser mapping. This helps create the most efficient cleaning route for your home. The vacuum cleaner has an operating time of 110 minutes. If it takes longer to clean your house, it will automatically return to its base to recharge and then pick up where it left off. At number 5, YUFFIE Robovac 11S. If you need a robot vacuum cleaner that has a low enough profile to fit under your sofa or dresser, the Robovac 11S from YUFFIE is the best. It is only 5.5 centimeters tall. Most standard robot vacuums are typically 5.5 centimeters, but it is still very powerful in terms of suction and quiet operation. Lasts up to 100 minutes on a single charge. This vacuum features Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction within 1.5 seconds of detecting it's on the carpet, ensuring it cleans as well as tile or wood floors. It also features an anti-scratch tempered glass cover for protection, an infrared sensor to detect and dodge obstacles, and fall detection technology to prevent you from throwing yourself downstairs. It even comes with a remote so you can turn it on, program it, and more from the comfort of your couch. At number 6, iRobot Roomba i3. Do you have a lot of cats or dogs, or just one furry one in particular? Do not worry. The iRobot Roomba i3 is the best vacuum to remove pet hair, thanks to its double multi-surface rubber brushes that do not get tangled in anything. Its premium 3-stage cleaning system offers 10 times more powerful suction, and can automatically detect and adjust the suction as it moves from hard floors to carpets or rugs. It even has a high-efficiency filter that captures 99% of allergens from cat and dog dander. You can use the voice controls through Google Assistant or Alexa to initiate tasks such as cleaning, and control other aspects, such as scheduling, through the complementary mobile application, Android/iOS. It is also compatible with Clean Base, iRobot's base trash can, if you want the vacuum cleaner to empty its can automatically.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.